Thank
So,
you.
okay. And tell me, actually, you are in South Korea, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So, let us start here. So I have some comments on your homework, actually. So,
Okay.
let's try to discuss that. You can see now my screen, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So let me see here. Um, yeah. Okay. So we go with question one.
Yes.
Do you still remember what was question one about?
Um, Not the exact. I can't remember the exact
Okay.
question, but yes. I can know when I see.
So this is your
it.
code. Can you remember your code?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can remember.
Okay. So the point here was to create a menu.
Yes.
So we are trying to simulate that we're creating a store, a bookstore,
Yes.
and we're trying to create a menu for the bookstore, right?
Yes.
So if we are creating a menu for a bookstore, it means that we always want the menu to be appearing, right? It means that
Yes.
we don't want the menu to appear one time and then we have to run the program again. So,
Yes.
so your code somehow, yes, it's good somehow. Yes, I would say that your level is quite okay. Um, but the point here is that when you created the code, you created it in a way that it will only run one time.
Ah. Should I
So
have to use for
not for, not for loop because not a for loop because for loop is a countable loop. So it means that it will run only for, it will run for a number of times and then it will off. But we need to,
okay.
so this kind of menus, we need to write a while loop.
Okay.
And and the point here that typically when we run a loop, when we run a menu, we expect the user to use Q to quit or to write QIT. Okay,
Okay.
so either this or this, then we quit the loop. So the point here that when you try to, actually what you have done is not bad at all, not at all. But again, I'm guiding you that um, the same like I'm guiding my students in the university. So that's how it should work. So we should not use int at the moment.
Ah,
Using int is not bad, okay, but
yes.
it will prevent you from accepting q. So if I put q here, the point now is if I put q,
Yes.
it will totally exit. It will raise an exception and it will be here. But there is a consequence for that. It means that I'm not able to accept Q or quit at all, and
Yes.
it means that I will totally run away from. I mean, my program will exit. It will not run, and this is
Yes.
not what I want. So
Okay.
I want to be able to accept any text from my user and handle it
Yes.
properly.
Yes.
So
Okay. Well, but I think I can make like number one to guide into quick function. Like
okay.
um but I think it is not what you want, right?
No, can
Well,
you
I
repeat
can
again?
make well, I can make menu 0, which can quit the program.
Yes, but we need to quit with not with zero, but with Q or QIT.
Okay.
The challenge here is that uh, the challenge is we need to use a while loop. We and
Okay.
if we need to use a while loop and we need to give some text that. So if I give text now,
Okay.
and you didn't put your try and except, the
Yes.
program will throw an error. Okay.
Okay.
So you are correct that you put this exception handling. So the correct way of doing it should be using while true. Did you see this kind of way before?
Not
So
really.
okay, so while true means that the loop will always run forever. Okay, and then
Okay.
we start printing all the statements, display all, and then we say we want to type quit or exit to be able to exit the loop. And
Okay.
the difference here that I'm not translating any input to integer. I just keep it as it is,
Okay.
and then I'm
Yes.
comparing the input to strings. So string 1,
Yes.
string 2, string 3, and then if I do that, then I'm able to accept any text from the user.
Yes.
If it is quit or even exit, I will break, and that's it. Okay.
I think it looks much better than mine. I
It's
can see
fine.
that.
Yeah. I
Yes.
mean, it's fine. That's why we should work on improving your style a bit, and that should only work in a step by step. So it means that
Okay.
I cannot give you 20 exercise and then you make mistakes and then
Yes.
we start correcting. We should give you a little, and then we give you how to improve, and then when you improve, we give you more and watch out your improvement, and then we give you more to watch out the improvement, and so on. So it should work step by step.
Okay. Can I ask you something?
Yes, please.
Well, I'm currently watching some Udemy video,
Okay.
which is you can buy any lecture about everything. So
Okay.
I'm watching about Python on Udemy. So
Mhm.
is that can be more helpful than just learning from you, but rather like can I be more learning faster if I can learn both you and Udemy? Is that can be helpful?
That is, I mean, if you tell me that somebody is better than me, I would definitely say I am better. So
Yes, that's of course. Yes.
yes,
But
okay, but if you want the truth, so you
yes,
have to understand that programming is one of the things that somehow need a mentor. So even if you reach any certain level, so
yes,
if you will need somebody who have a real experience in practice to be able to monitor. So definitely you are smart, and I have seen students who are like that, but you cannot see yourself. I can see you,
yes.
and the Udemy
Yes,
course cannot see you, because typically they have little amount of exercises, and I have
yes.
seen some Udemy courses, and even if they have exercise, um, you will not give the exercise to the instructor, and then he give you back feedback, and then he tell you, okay,
Yes,
you
that's
need to
right.
improve that. This is so he's just lecturing you,
Yes,
and he doesn't. It's not a closed loop. It means that um, he doesn't really watch the output of his videos. It means that you listen, and he
yes,
doesn't measure your level, and
yes,
he doesn't able to give you feedback how to improve. So the
yes.
only thing
But
that can close the loop is an instructor or a mentor, either me or anybody else.
okay. Um, what I wanted to say um, is it better to study both you and Udemy or just you? But because I want to learn something faster, because um, how can I practice more without your exercise? What should I do? I wonder how can I practice more harder?
Um, I have no solution for that because I'm teaching you from a syllabus. I don't create syllabuses from scratch. Uh, I
Yes.
use a proven syllabus to teach my students. Of course,
Yes.
I will be able to neglect certain parts if I don't see any need for that. But the point here that even if with every syllabus there is a limited exercise. So if you are asking for unlimited exercises,
Yes.
then let me check if I can give you some other websites that you can search for exercises. But again, the point is, if I give you a website with other exercise, definitely at certain time you will get stuck somehow. So, but I'm not able to help you there. So I'm able to help you in the way that I'm helping at the moment. I understand that you want to work faster a bit, but I'm afraid that only Udemy can help you with learning, but it will
Yes.
not help you. There is no way, not even any paid course will help you with exercises the way that you want, unless it is a website for programming exercises. And
Yes, that's right. Yes.
yes, so yes, I can check for you something, but again, that will be also, you have to figure out, you have to figure it out on your own. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah,
I think I need more patience. Yes, I'm very
somehow
greedy.
yes,
Yes,
somehow
okay.
yes. um Again, programming in general, how long did you start learning programming?
Mm, well, I read some book on about 2 years ago,
Mhm.
but that's just for fun. That was just for fun. But
Okay.
seriously, I think I should learn programming is like 3 months, I think.
Okay, so uh, I mean, it I don't want to. I mean, the typical person who want to learn programming takes from, I mean, not less than 1 year. Just to, so I understand that you want to accelerate the process. So
Yes,
learning, it's you can do so fast,
yes,
but the mind, your mind, uh, you can be somebody special, but I'm talking about the normal people.
yes.
So the normal people will take from 1 to 2 years to be able to write a good code. So you
Okay,
can learn very fast, but to be able to write a good code, you need time. Your brain need time to be able to build the links inside that help you solve problems. So it
okay,
just takes time. I understand that you want to accelerate it, so you can watch as much videos as you want, but I can only monitor you from here and tell you, okay, you progressed so far or not. And this I can only do it from exercise and
yes,
from watching you write a code on your own. So
okay,
that one of my students. Don't let me record this. So again, listen to me here, please, and see. Can you still remember the question here? So
yes,
you should take a mix, a string, and then you should check the size of the string, and then you should return something from it, right?
yes. Well, I think I misunderstand the question. I think
Okay.
because it was too easy that uh, as an exercise.
So when you decided the length is 3, from, I mean, what did you think about it? I mean, what
Well,
make you think that you should um, make it this way? I mean, I need to understand so that I can build on your understanding.
yes. Wait, can I open the question?
Yes, please. You should go and open the question. Yes,
Okay.
that makes more sense. Or I can try to share it here. It's more, makes more practical. So I already open it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So the question says that the meet function here, it takes a
Yes.
string as its parameter. Your function is to extract and return the middle letter.
Yes.
And if there is no middle letter, your function should return the empty string. So
Yes.
you assumed here that we should only work with ABC and AAA. But what about if we have more than, so if it's not 3, if it is 5?
Okay,
You fix it 3 here.
yes, I think I should use what is that? Bigger than 3 I should use.
No. Listen to me.
Okay.
Do you know how to figure the middle of any odd count of characters? So
I
if I
think I
have
can use
A, B,
yes.
C, D, and then E. Now this is an odd number, and you never know the count that comes to you in the string, right?
Yes.
You never know. Okay, so now it is 5. If I pass it to your code, it will come here. Okay, so that's not the correct. So you need to think together how we find a dynamic way. The thing here is that programming, but we cannot fix numbers in our code. We need to calculate everything on our own and make sure that even I mean, we need to make sure that everything is counted in. So now tell me, now you have 5. How can you cater for that in your code without putting 5 here? We need to find a smart way. Tell me.
Well, I think I can convert the equal into bigger than 3.
No, because if I okay, fine. If you put bigger than 3, so it means that for 3 you have to make a code. For 5 you have to for bigger than 3 you have to make another code. And but that doesn't make sense. No, we should find a way. We should find a way that
to find the middle, right?
We should find a middle. Yes, we should find a middle based on. So if you can remember, does this code tell, can this modulus tell you? So if I put 5 and modulus 2, do you know what is
yes, I know. Can I tell the answer?
Yes, please.
Well, I can use, I think I can use length divide by 2 to find the middle, because it will find the half of the whole length.
Okay, fine.
Right? So I can use length divide by 2 instead of 1 in my previous answer. Yes.
Okay, so length divided by 2. Okay, but then how can you know? So length divided by 2 is okay, one of the correct ways to get. But I want you to understand that sometimes you have 4, and sometimes you have 3, sometimes you have 5. So how to cater for that?
Now I can see. Okay, because 4 doesn't length
doesn't have
of
middle.
4 doesn't have middle, right?
Yes. So but again 5 have, and if you get 7 characters, it have. If you get 9 characters, it have. If you get 10 characters, it doesn't have. So we need to make, again, yes, you started to think correctly when you said length divided by 2. So actually length and the string inside like that.
Yes.
But you need to, you cannot use, you need to use, you need to understand first. This you can find, it's an odd number.
Yes.
Odd length or even length.
Yes, that's right.
So-
So I think I can use if remain is exist, you can find middle by length divided by 2.
I will allow you to share. I want you to write the code, please.
Oh, okay.
I will stop sharing and then
where can I write the code?
you can write the code on Replit. So we should always use it when you are doing the class.
Oh, can I share my window?
Yes, definitely. I allowed you to do that.
Okay. Well, let me find the way. Can you see?
Yes. I will start to see, but it will take some time at the start.
Strings. Two. One. String. Length string. Yes, this one. 3 by 2. Else. I think is all.
No, I didn't see your screen yet, so I'm
Really?
still waiting. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, typically sometimes it takes time. It depends on the internet connection. So, but you can stop sharing and try to start sharing again. Yeah, okay. Now I can see.
Okay.
Now I can see. Oops.
Oh,
never mind. Okay,
Okay.
never mind. Okay,
well, I can.
you can share again. It's okay. I mean, no.
Okay.
I mean, I need to see you writing. So yeah, you can share
Okay.
again. Yeah, I can see it now. So yeah.
Yes, I think it's right. This is right.
Yeah, but can you go to main and try to so go to main and try to write the code there. So
Okay.
main is here. Can you? Yeah. No.
But well, I have a question.
Uh-uh.
How can I active the code only here, which is not named main?
No, it must be in main. So you only
Should I have to rename this texture into main?
No. You have to. So yes, you can. You that's one of the ways. Yes, you can do that. You can name it name, but then you have to name the other name to
Yes.
another. Yeah. So yes,
It's
you can do
very
that.
inconvenient. Yes.
Yes, but you have to understand that the problem is if you do that, you will be running all the code in the exercise, and so I don't think this is the best way. But it's up to you. If you have something in main itself, so is it your main py is empty or full of some code?
Well, I don't want to rename every time I
Then
active
you
the
have
code.
you have to copy this code to main and run it from main.
Okay. Is there a best way,
This is the best at the moment. Yes.
Well, I can I can use Shift Enter on Visual Code.
You mean Visual C? You mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
I wonder that function is I can use that function. Can I use that function on Replit 2?
Which function? Sorry.
Select the code I want to active and press Shift Enter to active only code I select.
No, and no.
Okay.
No, it's here different. So you have to run. Yes.
Okay. what print?
So you
Oh, okay,
passed
okay,
it
okay.
not as a string. You have to pass it as a
Yes.
string.
Ah, okay, okay. Yes, it worked.
Yes, but I want to. So can you give it an empty string?
Okay.
Okay. Can you give it? Let me see here. Can you give it even string?
Even string.
Mm. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Your code is perfect. Yes, yes, it's good. Yes,
Oh, thank you. Yes.
yes. Okay.
I think I should read question more specifically. Yes.
Yes,
From
but
next time.
yes, and so okay. First, this the last thing that I want to tell you here that let me I mean you can still keep your screen. I just want to tell you here in your code, typically
Okay.
very little that we make functions. I mean, no, just remain here, please. Okay, so this is a you say here print, right?
Yes.
So typically we don't from functions we don't print as a return. Functions should return. So you use return statement. So you should
Okay.
return the middle string, and then in the output here,
Yes.
then you should print. So you can
Okay.
then one way that you can say,
Yes.
okay, so this is a mid function, right? So you can say
Yes.
output. Oops. So we have to close and open again. Okay.
Yes.
We close and open again the session.
Okay.